guys, what's up? It's me and welcome back to another video. And I just got my braces on. So yeah. And I have an expander in. And it might be a little hard to talk. And yeah. So let's just get on to the video. And I'm making Nickelodeon slime. And this is color tinge slime. And this is like, I've seen it on YouTube, but I actually haven't tried it out for myself. This is the first time I saw it at my local Target. So yeah, I thought I'd pick it up. Just do that. I may not follow the instructions the whole way. I don't feel like doing water and stuff. Hey, it's just how you make a normal slime, I guess. So, I don't want to do directions or anything, so I'm just going to go off of what I know, and I'm going to make one how they make it, and then make one how I make it. And I do have the Fenderman playing in the back, so yeah. I'm doing my slime thing before we do the tiny voice challenge. Okay? Yeah. Okay, guys. You might want to go around the other way so you're not in my video. Yeah, she doesn't like being in videos, guys. So it has to be temperature. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So I just got my water. I want to take this off. I have a sweatshirt on. So yeah, I'm kind of getting hot. And so yeah. Just took it off. Yeah. Okay, so have the water. First, I have to measure 50 millimeters of clear glue. Okay. Direction 1. Measure 50 millimeters of clear glue using a supply measuring cup and pour it into a bowl. Scrape down the walls of the cup to get as much of the glue out as possible. Okay. They can't see you. Okay. They can just see the refrigerator. Me. Okay. Back up so I can get this down. Okay. So I've got that down. Then I'm gonna grab one of the mixing utensils, which it comes with. So that's good. It's just a wooden, it's like popsicle stick. It doesn't, you don't have to worry about getting as much as you can, because you are going to be adding water into the same cup, which will get the glue out. Okay. Okay. Next I'm going to add, sorry guys. There's a little glue dripping over. I'm gonna add 20 millimeters. So that's 10. I need 10 more. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna sort that out and stir that up. I just did step 2, so yeah. Then add 1 full spoonful of coloring into it. Okay. I'm doing the green. I'm gonna do the green. Then I'm gonna do the pink, the purple/orange. And yeah. Gee, Mom. Will you wash this off for me? Okay. Okay, thank you. Here, I'll put it right there. Just because I need to use it for my other slimes too. Okay, they said 1 spoonful of that. Thank you. Okay, now I'll just put my activator slowly.
See what you have.
I need a paper towel. This is really sticky. Thank you. I'm gonna start going with my hands. I mean, it's not the best at the moment, but it feels like it's getting better.
Did you put your spoon in there?
Where?
In the box.
Oh, I was just had it on there because you needed to wash like things off. So I just set it up there for the time. Oh, yeah, sorry. So I just add some more paint. And maybe it's going on the show, so yeah. I'm going to see what show is coming on. Princess Diaries. Sounds new. So it should turn a dark green whenever you have a cold surface. So yeah. This one thing and then it actually works, guys. Okay, so it's light green, you can see. G-Mom, it really works. Can I show you? Okay, hold on. Let me just mix that in.
Oh, cool.
So yeah, that really works. I thought it was like one of those rip-off ones where it doesn't even work.
Yeah.
But it actually does, guys, so that's good.
That is
Will you hand me a marker?
good. This is short.
Thanks. I need to grab a marker, guys. So I can write it. Okay. I just need to write it. So, color changing up. So yeah. Okay, next I'm making the purple one, then the yellow for my last one. So that's just color changing, and I'll just.
It's very windy. My husband started
Yeah, I'm gonna see what's on 40. Disney. Hold on, guys, I'll be back. Disney Channel. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna put that next line. Okay. So put that back in my container. Then I got this at Target in Irwin. I have no clue. I said I don't know.
What do you
Slime.
Rosie?
There's the first one. Okay, I'm gonna grab my bowl. Then I'm gonna go off my own measurements because I still have a lot of glue left. And only 3 containers left, so. Huh?
Color your pen.
Let me see. What does it look like?
that cup?
What game? No.
Part of that cup.
Yeah. This would be very colorful. Yeah, so yeah. Then I'm not gonna add as much butter as you told me to, because that's more water than glue. And you want less water than glue, or equal amounts. So yeah, only gonna add a tiny bit. That's like less than 5 milliliters, so yeah. Okay, so grab my mixing utensil and mix it up. Add in my activator. Oh, it's much more thick, which is really good. Comes along much easier. So yeah, that's a plus. So yeah, you can see that there's pink on the sides, like a little bit of pink. Gonna add a little bit more on my activator. That's a lot. I'm gonna add that onto my flat surface. It changed color whenever I touched it. This is probably the best one. Whoa. Gee, Mom, this was purple and now it's turning pink. Look at the bowl. It turned bright pink, guys. Did you burn it?
Nice and dark.
Really? Okay, guys, so just roll that up. Get that off my hands and stuff. Okay. Now I'm going to try to clean out my bowl with it. Whoop. Okay. Not a lot is coming off of it. Okay, for my yellow one, I'm not going to add any water to that one, just to see if that does anything. Add some more glue. Add a bunch of it. This is my recipe of how I'm making it. So this is supposed to be like a yellow and orange one. So yeah.
Rosy.
Okay, time for me to add my activator. This is definitely the thickest, which is a good thing. Okay, so let's add some of that. Oh, that's super duper thick.
I see what you got. You're going to be in big trouble.
The Thundermans. Yes. Okay, so here it is. It's a bright yellow. So yeah. Okay, so this is really good.
Now we know where she'll go.
Where? Where? Oh. So this is what the slime came out. It's really good. Has some good clicks. It's the best one. Not the best color, but it's okay. Okay. Oh, that's a bright orange. That's right here. Okay, let me do a mini ASMR for you guys. I'm gonna take out the charger because I have my phone on charger. Okay. Huh?
Rosie. Wants watermelon?
Sure. Sure. Wait, can they see it? Yeah. Okay. So here's the slime. Yeah. So I'm just gonna make this into a swirl. Okay. Not the best swirl, but then you can see it turn orange. Okay. I'm kind of doing a slime ASMR. Okay, well, 1 minute, guys. So you can just see that slime. Charlie got in there. Thank you for watching and bye.